Hello my dear students, I am going to start class 11 functions. That is miscellaneous part is supposed to start. Previous portion already we have finished. So let us start miscellaneous exercise on chapter 2. So it will be chapter 2 miscellaneous part. So question number 1 says, here we have given f equal to x square. Condition is x greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 3, and it will be 3x when 3x will be greater than equal to 3 and less than equal to 10. Then another function is given here, g of x equal to x square, x greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 2, and this is given 3x, 2, x greater than equal to 2 less than equal to 10. So we have to show that f is a function and g is not a function. F is a function but g is not a function. So according to the definition of function, we know whenever there is one domain and one codomain, say for the first function, this is first set is denoted by the letter, say this one is A and this one is B. This one we can say the domain, this one codomain. So here f is a function from A to B. So if we substitute 3 here, then x equal to 3 implies 3 square is 9. In the codomain it will be 9. And again, if we substitute this 3, we will take in the second place also. 3 is again it will be 9. So for both the condition, f of x equal to x square or f of x equal to 3x, we will get for 3 only 9. So for 3 there will be only 1 and only 1 element in the codomain. Therefore, for the rest of the values under the given interval, it will satisfy. If it is lie in between 0 and 3, definitely for each and every value of x, real value of x, we will get specific one value of f of x also. Then, since for each and every value of x, there will be one and only one element in the codomain. Therefore, f we can say it will be a function. But in case of g, if we want to think, say one function is given A in the domain and next one is codomain, domain and codomain. Here g is another function. If we want to substitute 2 here for the g of x, for 2 it will be 2 square. 2 square means for 2 it will be 2 square is 4. 4 will be here. And for 2, if we, this x will be, whenever it is 2, then it will satisfy this one, as well as it will satisfy second condition 3x. So in place of 3x, if we want to substitute one more value, we will get 2 will related with 4 as well as 2 will related with 6. That is, for the element 2, there is 2 elements. So it is not unique for 2. That is why g is not a function, but for f it is a function. So through the diagram we can represent them in this way. Let us see the next question. We have given number 2, f of x equal to x square. Then we have to find the value of, therefore, f of 1.1 minus f of 1 divided by 1.1 minus 1. So, since f of x equal to x square, this can be replaced by 120, 11 square means 121. So, it will be 1.21 minus 1 square means only 1. So, this means this will be 0.1. If we subtract this one, then we will get 1 will cancel 0.21. 0. So we can give here 10. So let us remove the decimal 21 by 10. So finally it will be 2.1. So if we have given one function like this, like f of x equal x square, and if we want to find the value of this one, then in place of x, if we substitute 1.1, then we will get 1.21. So 1 square means 1. So this minus this one, this minus this one. So if we want to remove this decimal, then it will be 21 by 10, that is 2.1. এটা ফলোৱাৰ যদি আমাক এনেকৈ দিয়ে f of x ৰ ভ্যালুটো x স্কয়াৰ, তেতিয়াহ'লে এইখিনি ভ্যালু আমি যদি নিৰ্ণয় কৰিব খোজো, তেতিয়া x ৰ ভ্যালুটো আমি যদি ইয়াতে বহুৱাই দিওঁ, তেতিয়াহ'লে it will be 1.1 whole square means 1.21. ইয়াৰ কাৰণে আহিব 1, so ইয়াৰ পৰা এইটো যদি আমি বিয়োগ কৰি দিওঁ, তেতিয়াহ'লে 0.21 আৰু ইয়াতে হ'ব 0.10. গতিকে আমি দশমিকটো উঠাই দিব পাৰোঁ, তেতিয়াহ'লে 21 by 10 অৰ্থাৎ 2.1. এনেকৈ আমি এইখিনি ভ্যালু আমি উলিয়াব পাৰোঁ. So let us see the next question, number 3 now. Find the domain of the function f of x equal to this one. So if we want to find the domain, here we have say f of x equal to given here. এটা ফলনৰ ভ্যালু দিয়া আছে x square plus twice x plus 1 divided by x square minus 8x plus 12 equal to this one. So if we want to find the domain of the function, then let x square minus 8x plus 12 equal to 0. So let us middle term, if we want to factorize this, then we can factorize in this way. X square will be 6x minus 2x plus 12 equal to 0. So we can take common x minus 6 here, it will be 2 is common, so x minus 6, again this will be 0. So x minus 6 whole into x minus 2. So then the values of x are, first one, if it is x minus 6 equal to 0, this will be either here 3 is here, either this one or x minus 2 equal to 0. So finally x will be equal to 6 here, x equal to 2. So except 6 and 2, the other real value will satisfy for this domain. Therefore, domain equal to domain, domain equal to, say, from the set of real number, if we want to subtract 2, 6, then the remaining elements will be the domain. So domain will be r minus 2, 6. So in this way we can find the domain of this one. So let us see the next question. এটা ফলনৰ এনেকৈ ভ্যালুটো দিয়া থাকিলে ডিনোমিনেটৰখিনি আমি 0 বুলি ধৰি x ৰ দুটা ভ্যালু উলিয়াব পাৰোঁ। সেই দুটা ভ্যালু ইয়াতে বহাই দিয়াৰ লগে লগে ফলনটো ডিনোমিনেটৰত আমি 0 পাম, তেতিয়াহ'লে ফলনটো স্যাটিসফাই নকৰিব। গতিকে x ৰ মান 2 আৰু 6 এ বাহিৰে বাকি যিকোনো ৰিয়েল ভ্যালুৰ কাৰণে এইটো ফলন এপ্লিকেবল হ'ব, অথবা আমি ডোমেইনটো ইয়াৰ পৰা উলিয়াব পাৰোঁ। 2 আৰু 6 বাদ দি বাকিখিনি ৰিয়েল নাম্বাৰ ইয়াতে আমি বহুৱাব পাৰোঁ। So this will be the domain of the given function. Let us see the next question. So now question number 4. Question number 4 is given here. Find the domain and range of the function f defined by f equal to square root of x minus 1. So here we have number 4. F of x equal to square root of x minus 1. So if we want to find the domain of this one, then first of all we can assume here, let x minus 1 greater than 0, that implies we can say x will be greater than 1, therefore x, the value of x is domain, therefore domain equal to, it will start with greater than equal to 0, so we can keep equal sign here, so this one third bracket 1 to infinity can use here, and range will be equal to range of y, this is y, so range of y, this is y, so it will be it will start with 0 to infinity. So domain equal to this one, third bracket 1 comma infinity to infinity, and range will be 0 to infinity. Then 1 to infinity will be domain and 0 to infinity will be range. So this way you can find the domain and range of this function. So let us see the next question now. Class number প্রশ্নগুলো এসে বলি। So here we have to find the domain again. Here again we have to find the domain range of the given function f of x equal to number 5. F of x equal to, here we have given modulus of x minus 1. Modulus of x minus 1. So since the modulus sign is given, so the values of x, it will be this way. Therefore, any positive or negative value of x, the function will go in this way, like this. That is, the domain will be here. Means any real value we can substitute here. From this side to this side, means any real set of real number. Then range will be what? Range will be, it will start 0 to infinity, so 0 to infinity. It will be the range of the given function. So for any real value of x will satisfy this function, so the domain will be R and range will be, it cannot go down toward the negative side. So for any real value of x, f of x will be always positive. That is why 0 to infinity can be the range of this one. So let's see the next question. যেকোনো বাস্তব মানের ভাবে আমি এই ফলনটো সিদ্ধ কৰিব, গতিকে ডোমেইন আদি ক্ষেত্ৰটো হ'ব আর এটা রিয়েল নাম্বার, সেট অফ রিয়েল নাম্বার, আৰু রেঞ্জটো হ'ব 0 ৰ পৰা ইনফিনিটি লৈকে। So number 6 now. 6 is given here. Number 6. F is given here as within first bracket x comma x square by x plus 1, such that x will be any real number. Then determine the range of f. Range of f will be 0 to 1. It will be 0 to 1. Means any real value of x, if we want to substitute the entire value of this one, since x square is positive always, so whatever be the value of x, either positive or negative, x will be always positive. So the value of this second component, first component is domain, for second component will be codomain. So the value of component codomain will be always in between 0 and 1. That is why you can say range will be 0 to 1. So let us say the next question number 7. Question number 7. Seven question here we have. Here we have f of x equal to x plus 1 and z of x equal to twice x minus 3. So now we have to find therefore f plus z of x equal to sum of these two functions will be x plus 1 plus twice x minus 3, it will be 3x minus 2. Therefore, if we want to subtract f minus z of x, it will be x plus 1 minus twice x minus 3, then it will be x plus 1 minus twice x minus plus 3. So finally it will be 4 minus x. It will be 4 minus x will be the difference of these two functions. Then the quotient of this will be f by z, f of x equal to, if we want to divide, first f of x means x plus 1 divided by, say, z of x is given here twice x minus 3. So this will be the quotient of these two given functions, where twice x minus 3 equals 0 if we want to assume, then the value of x, if twice x minus 3 is not equal to 0, that implies x is not equal to 3 by 2. Except x is not equal to 3, so for the other value this function is applicable. So that's all for today. Let us see the next day we will start the remaining portion for today. Thank you all of you.